In my hand, I have 3.5-inch round rock. They're laying loose in my hand, but they're up against one another. They won't compact because it's round rock, not crushed rock. What do you see? Look into those 3 rocks. What do you see? You see a void. What is that void for? It's to move water. That's what that void is for. So a lot of people have been asking, doesn't the water just fall out of high octane because of the big inlets? And hey, it's a legit question, so I'm trying to give you a visual. So that's what big round rock does. Look at the void, 1.5-inch round rock. Now, look at that void. This void moves 240 gallons per minute with only 1% slope. All right, so let's entertain and educate all at once. All right, so here's your French drain on drugs, okay? All right, so here's your French drain on drugs. Your lawnmower's going over it, you're going over it. Where'd all the voids go? Where did all those voids go? They filled with mud. Holy smokes, wait a minute. Okay, I got void. But as this, during our wet season, mixes with the subsurface soil, the voids disappear. The voids are gone. That's your French drain on drugs. Here's your French drain, highly educated. All the voids stay in between the stone. None of the subsurface soil is going up into the stone and filling the voids. Again, your French drain on drugs. Your French drain, highly educated, healthy, and not on drugs. All right, everybody. Until that next video.